Swimming with sea turtles is a dream come true, which is why stopping by Akumal was a must on our recent trip to Mexico. We highly recommend taking this adventure and will give you all the information you need to know before going. There are a couple places along the beach where you can go on a guided tour.
It is important to know that this is an activity to do early in the morning because the water is more clear. After a couple hours, the sand gets kicked up, which makes it harder to see. The park opens at 9 a.m., but we arrived at 8. Since we were so early, we were lucky enough to receive a private tour before they even opened and avoided the large groups that arrived later in the morning.
After negotiation, we ended up paying 450 pesos, which is roughly $23 per person, which covers a guide, snorkeling equipment, a life jacket, and an hour and a half of time in the ocean. The guide guaranteed that we would see sea turtles or we would receive our money back.
You will most likely see other amazing sea creatures. During our 1.5 hours of snorkeling, we saw plenty of sea turtles, stingrays, squids, an eel, a barracuda, a pufferfish, and so many other types of fish.
Thank you for watching. We hope you found it helpful. Like and subscribe for future videos.